Sa isang episode ng YouTube vlog ng broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila ay nakapanayam niya ang aktres na si Bella Padilla. Doon ay ibinahagi niya ang tungkol sa pagkakaiba ng kultura ng mga tao sa London at sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa aktres, simple pero engrande ang klase ng buhay na mayroon siya nang manirahan sa London.
Would you say simple ang buhay mo doon?
Simple pero engrande because I saw so many things that I wouldn't see here. Like, I would watch plays that were full-on productions. You know, I got to experience a first world country, the efficiency of a first world country that, you know, sadly, now that I'm back, I see we're still so far away from.
Tinanong naman si Bella tungkol sa mga nepo babies, nepo wives, nepo this, nepo that na nagpo-flaunt ng yaman nila. Mainit kasing pinag-uusapan ang mga nepo babies at Disney princess na ma-flex ng luxury items nila. Ito'y matapos madiskubre ang malalang korupsyon dahil sa maanomalyang flood control projects ng DPW o Department of Public Works and Highways. Ayon sa aktres, hindi raw uso sa mga tao sa London ang pagrampa ng nagsusumigaw na brand, ngunit sa Pilipinas ay maraming mga ma-flaunt na tao na hindi niya gusto, kaya nababaduyan siya sa mga taong puro branded pumorma.
Ngayong bumalik ka sa Pilipinas, nakita mo the nepo babies, nepo wives, nepo this, nepo that. Kasi in London, what was it like?
You don't see people wearing branded stuff like super in your face, you know? If they do, it's one piece in their whole outfit. It's not brand on brand on brand. Dito, it's so tacky. I'm so sorry to say, but it's so tacky. Sorry. Pag napanood itong vlog na ito, si Bella, ang daming problema today.
Si Bella open.
Ayun, sabi ko, dami nakikita ni Bella. No, pero nababaduyan kasi ako. Parang talaga brand on brand on brand. Guys, have some class. Ewan, kainis.
Napag ganyan ka bigla.
Stress ako. Magpo-promote lang dapat ang pelikula.
Nag-open up naman ang aktres kung bakit nauwi sa hiwalayan ang 4 na taong relasyon nila ng Swiss boyfriend niyang si Norman Bay. Ayon sa kanya, naging desisyon niyang bumalik sa bansa ang naging turning point ng relasyon nila ng kanyang dating partner. Kwento pa niya na pag-usapan nila ni Norman ng maayos ang posibilidad ng future nila habang siya ay nasa Pilipinas, pero naging malinaw na magkaiba sila ng landas na tatahakin. Dagdag pa niya, hindi rin daw niya masisisi ang kanyang dating partner dahil mayroon itong matagumpay na karera sa London.
What happened?
I was naman. I think it was really just the reality of me moving back here. We had a talk. Like, it was a very mature conversation. We spoke about my moving back here, and I asked him, like, what are your, plans for the next 5 years and the next 10 years? Like, do you see yourself moving here also? And at that time, when we first had the conversation, he very bluntly said no, and I super respected that because I am the same too. Like, if he tells me now, like, or if he asked me back then, like, if I asked you right now to get married, so you would stay, would you say yes? I would have also said no. So I feel like we both knew where we had to be, and he has such a beautiful career also in London. He has such a good job. I feel like he's found his purpose also.
Inamin din ng aktres na labis siyang nasaktan sa paghihiwalay nila, ngunit sa kabila nito ay nanatiling magkaibigan pa rin sila ng kanyang dating partner. Matatandaang kinumpirma mismo ni Bella sa press conference ng kanyang pelikulang 100 Awit para kay Stella noong August na hiwalay na sila ni Norman.